Hey guys, Mr. B here again, bringing another awesome math video. This one on um, basically a test that allows you to determine if a graph is a function or not. So you're probably in a unit right now in your math classes where you're trying to determine, you're trying to learn basically what is a function and what is not a function. And you've probably learned that a function basically is that for every value of x, there is exactly one value of y. So, if x is equal to 1, then there's only one y value for that particular value of x. So it could be anything, but there's only one value for it, exactly one value. So what that means is that anytime there is more than one y value, then it's not a function. So if you look at the two graphs that I have here, they're two obviously very different graphs. This is the graph of a quadratic function. Y is equal to x squared something something something, right? So that's the base graph. Y is equal to x squared, and this one looks like it's shifted down 4. But anyway, it's a parabola, and you probably may or may not know that that's a quadratic, but it's a parabola. Let me get rid of this sign here for a second here, guys. Yeah, so it's a parabola, but it doesn't really matter. And this is the graph of a circle right here. So it's pretty straightforward. It's supposed to be a circle, but it's a little bit off. But anyway, it is a circle. So if we want to tell if these are functions, all we have to do is draw the vertical line test. So the vertical line test basically states if I draw a vertical line through my function and only touch one point, then it is a function. If anywhere on that graph I can draw a vertical line and touch more than one point, then it is not a function. So I can draw a line anywhere along this parabola, and it's only going to touch exactly one point. So basically what that means is that for every value of x, there's one value of y, because I can only draw a vertical line and hit one point. But if you look at this circle, if I draw a vertical line down through, then I'm hitting 2 points. That means for that particular value of x, there is more than one value of y. So let's just look at, for x is equal to 0, y could be, well, it could be positive 4, or it could be negative 4. So according to our definition of a function, this is not a function because there is more than one value for y. So that's your vertical line test, guys. It's really useful for determining if a graph is a function or not. And I'm sure you'll probably see it in an assessment. Maybe not, maybe a long answer question where you have to sort of give an explanation why. And if you have to give an explanation why, your explanation is always the same. For every one value of x, there should only be one value of y. So if it touches more than one point, then it's not a function because there's more than one value of y for that particular thing. So that's great, guys. So I really hope this video helps you figure out the vertical line test, and hopefully it's useful to you in your math classes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see some of you guys in class. Good luck.